Hey guys, welcome to Cars, Computers, and Bowie. So we're going to be replacing the window glass on my brother's 2005 Corolla. Somebody smashed it in, so I figured I'd fix it for him. So let's get started. Shouldn't be too difficult. Just got to pop the door panel off. I got some glass from a junkyard, and let's get started. Okay, so first thing we got to do is get this door panel off. Now I know most of it's held in by stupid tin garage door not being magnetic. So I know most of this is held in by little plastic clips around it, but there are a few screws in here we got to pop out. There's a little Phillips head screw back there. So one thing, if you don't have them already and you need to pull plastic panels off, get these little plastic puller pry things, because these won't mar up and scratch your rubber and your plastic. Two screws. This is my method of taking things apart. Just keep pulling screws and popping tabs until it comes out. Whee. Listen to that glass fly everywhere. Okay, so this car still has a little plastic sound deadening stuff underneath it. Usually if someone's been screwing around in here, this will be gone. So since we're screwing around in here, this will soon be gone. A little door open, there's a little bit of glass. Alright. Some of the things from the window. The window is in the up position, so that's where there's two bolts, one on each end, that holds the window in. It's lowered down enough to where we can access it through this panel and also this little hole right here. Electric window motor back in. Oh yeah. So unfortunately my shop vac's too big to fit down here, sweep up all of the glass out of there. Alright, Delaney came up with an idea. We're going to take this smaller vacuum hose, tape it to my shop vac hose, and hopefully this will be able to fit in there and pick everything up. Now let's see if this works. You want to be careful, especially if you don't have a magnet, not to drop these bolts, because they're hard to get out of the bottom if you do. And that's all that's left of the window. Hole's a little bit lower. Hole's right there. Don't need it, by the way. So now for the hard part. Wrangling the window in here, lining it up with the track, and then bolting it all together. Good tip, find a local junkyard or auto recycler. This was 50 bucks versus the 200 you'd have to pay for a new one. Curved in such a way. There we go. the angle that the window's at, you can get you a scraper. Scrape all this crap off. Now this glass, it's safety glass, so it is more durable than you think, but I mean if you bend on it the wrong way it will blow up and shatter, so do be careful. Yeah, I guess I should have thought about this. There are little shards of glass in the tracks, so we've got to take all that out first. Slide this in here, line it up with the tracks a little bit. Oh, this is line this regulator up. There we go. Right. You don't have to tighten it down like the Incredible Hulk either. Just snug it at first, and then once we've got both bolts in, we'll tighten it down a little bit more. If you start cinching something down and it just all of a sudden gets real tough, take it back out and try again. Otherwise, you'll cross thread. It'll make your life a lot harder. All right, moment of truth. There we go, glass. Do our best to put this back on. Now, put our disgusting sticky stuff back in place. Forget about them first. Snap that right there, lines under there, and snaps like that. All right. Just needs to settle a little bit. All right, that'll do it for this episode of Cars, Computers, Buoy. We got our window buttoned back up. It'll do for a quick and easy little fix for this old car. And hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.